Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Simple Life in Australia. So today I'm going to show you our own take on beef salpicao. So my beef salpicao, I use the beef brisket. I like using this because of that, the fat in it. It's very tasty. And then I've already cooked this and it's already tender, and I just slice them into cubes. And then we've also got a little bit of butter. We've got garlic and chili. Okay, not too much of the chili, but if you are into this, you want spicy, then you can add a bit more. And then I'm just going to spray oil into my electric cooker. And if you've been watching my channel, you know how much I love pepper. So this beef has been marinating for more than an hour, and I just added Knorr seasoning into this and pepper. So just heating up my cooker. Let's get started. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of oil, and I'm going to add my butter. Okay, because this butter will add taste, will add flavor. Okay, I'm just going to bring the camera around so that you can get up close to what we're doing. So just add your garlic. I just turned my heat into medium. And then I'm going to add my chili. I don't really like to burn my garlic. So I just want, once I start smelling it, I go on with the next step. So now we're going to add our beef that we've marinated earlier. Oh gosh, that smells so good. This is very easy, very affordable. You can use any type of beef that you like. You can use a beef steak, but I would suggest that you go for a beef that has got that fat in it, because that will add flavor into your beef salpicao. And then we'll just add some more of the pepper. And then your Knorr seasoning or Maggi seasoning. Oh god. Oops. Didn't see that. Because I've already cooked the beef, we're not going to wait that long. We just want all the flavors to be in our beef. There are so many variations to beef salpicao. You know, others will add a little bit of sugar in there, but I personally like this salpicao recipe. It's very easy, affordable, and everyone can do it. Oh, that smells so good. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. You don't really need to cook this for a long time because it's beef. And like what I said earlier, I've already cooked my meat and all I need is to add flavor to it. Okay. Ooh, it smells so good. So our beef salpicao is now ready and we're going to the table again so we can taste this delicious, super yummy beef salpicao. Hello guys, we're back. So finally we get to taste our beef salpicao. So you go and taste your beef salpicao. Oh wow. It's tasty. Is it spicy? No. Just the right kick of the chili. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe that we've shared with you today. And all the ingredients that we use here, we're going to put it down into the description box. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please click that subscribe button and the bell next to that so you can be notified every time we post a new video. Thank you guys and God bless. See ya.